Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at supermicrocomputer and we are going to focus on the mid to short time frame. If you want to check out the entire analysis or for the entire chart history, you can look at the previous video. Everything I said remains unchanged and still valid. So to get on with this video now, we are tracking the support zone for this third wave to the upside that we have here on the chart in yellow between $47.6 down to around $10.2. And then within this support zone, we are tracking the fourth wave to the downside in yellow, where it could be finished. This fourth wave could be finished, but it could very likely still be ongoing. And yeah, going into the shorter time frame, within this fourth wave, we can track 2 to 3 scenarios. They can kind of overlap each other a bit, and let me explain. So firstly, we have the orange scenario in which we had a wave A down and then a B wave up and now a C wave to the downside that has already completed a wave 1 and now a wave 2 that would take us lower into the third wave. Alternatively, we could still have this A wave in orange but reset this B wave top within the green count where, let me add it back here, where we had a wave A up, a wave B down, and we are now going higher in a C wave. After which we would just reset the B wave top that could still take us lower in the C wave to the downside. And yeah, an ideal target for this green count scenario, C wave, would be $107, but it doesn't have to get there. Remember, it's just an ideal target. Of course, as I said, it could be possible that this fourth wave is complete and we are moving in a diagonal pattern to the upside to new all-time highs within the fifth wave, but at the moment I find it more likely that we are still within the fourth wave. We can discuss and tinker with the scenarios and the possibilities that we have about a more bullish outcome where we already started the fifth wave once we form some more structure and some more upside here. Okay, so going into the shorter time frame, we are tracking this move up from the B wave low in green or the wave 1 low in not yellow, orange. And within those, we have gotten some new upside, some slightly higher high. And in the previous video, we were around this area, $48 to $49. I provided you this support zone between 48 down to around $45.3. And yeah, it seems we had immediately after a new dip that got us slightly a lower low, and congratulations to you if you did decide to enter the trade. You had a potential of about 11% upside, 11% profit. Even if you actually entered at around at the beginning of the support zone, you would still have, oh, I took the wrong tool, you would still have around 7% profit. So congratulations to you if you took the trade there. But with this latest move to the upside in this fifth wave, we have kind of invalidated the count that we had in blue, in which we were tracking a diagonal pattern in 5 waves where all of the sub waves within this supposed wave 1 in blue had 3 wave structures. So yeah, in this latest move, we have formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 5-wave structure, which would invalidate this blue count. But that only makes things better for us because we can more easily track with fewer parameters the price action that is to follow. Now, of course, with this 5-wave move to the upside, it kind of completes this third wave or this C wave. We don't know yet which one it is. Since we have only 3 waves up, it could either be a 1, 2, 3 that would have a 4 and a 5 to follow, or it could be an A, B, C that would complete the wave 2 in orange. Of course, the price, or the price can always extend higher, or I may say the structure can always extend higher, and for that I would mainly track this level. If we break below $46, I would expect we are in a more immediate downside track, where we should go into the green support zone, the large green support zone. That reminds me that I need to adjust it. And we have the green support zone now, and I will remove this previous one that worked out. And as I said, congratulations if you followed it and used it. But we have the support zone for a fourth wave in green that is between $45 down to around $38.6. So this is the level we are tracking, and if we break below $38.6, I will start favoring the orange count more. Of course, we will need to track the possibility for a different count where we would still see some upside then in that case, and provide some levels that would show more information and provide more clarity. But at the moment, you have the levels. This is a possible trade setup, and if you want to use it, you can go ahead. That is your choice. But with that said, you have the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know what else you want me to cover. I hope to also see you in the next videos, and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.